Hey guys, how's lockdown treating everyone? I hope everyone's okay. I thought I'd do a quick little video on just some of the better stuff that I found over the years. I'll start with this little ring here, this little twisted silver ring. Just about focusing on that. Now we're still not sure whether that's Saxon or Viking or just a Victorian copy. It's pretty cool though. It's a white gold and diamond ring we found on the beach not long ago. And then here we've got another little junk ring I found on the beach. It's junk silver, solid silver spoon. That's a recent find. That's always good to find, isn't it? One of those gold coins. Got a little hammy there, a little Henry II, I believe. It's got the keys underneath the shield. Can't really see much on that side. And another little hammered coin. It's very hard to focus. Not sure what that one is. And a decent sized, what do you call these again? Jeton. Cut half. A nice little Queen Victoria. There's all sorts of coins in here. There's a more modern shilling from 1929. Nice chunky bit of silver. Another hammy. I think that's Robert II. Yeah, Robert II. Charles II, I believe. Oh, George II, sorry. Lovely silver coin. Nice little cut half. A silver coin that's been turned into a love token. And a lot of random stuff really, a big ball of silver. Not sure what that is still. What else can we see? This I believe is gold from a cufflink. Still haven't got this tested yet, I'm not sure if it's gold or silver. Feels like silver, but it's quite heavy. And then just random silver coins from all different periods. Oh, another bit of gold. Bit of silver. Yeah, so just a quick little show of some of the better stuff I found over the years. I hope to be back out finding more soon. Hope you all stay safe and we'll see you out in the field soon.